Tom Shibenta jang kajing pen kre yak election ban jit ikinong mi khmat bathamai sha yeng dor bar thau ain ke jilla ka state election committee jang United Democratic Party hadin bladap ban pelaj yak thop kyrtong jang ki kyrtong hakawat ka baar kilapan pau ba shen kin sepen bana paj ba yak thop kyrtong ka balai bat kan pershang ru ban pynïeng habaro gin rip hoteli ki constituency.
The third list of candidates for this upcoming election will be announced in a very short span of time. Reason is because do we have few more names with us, but we are doing a little bit of a ground survey and to evaluate the strength of those candidates in those constituencies, and which needs a bit of inputs from those constituencies, and our party leaders are doing that exercise. So hopefully very soon we will be doing it. We are trying to fill up in all the 60 constituencies, but perhaps as I've said, as we're going to evaluate and do some little bit of ground assessment on each and every candidate, so we will take a call on that. I would like to mention here very clearly, and I'm so glad because in the first list of our candidates, as I mentioned to all of you, that we are very unfortunately we could not, have a single woman candidate from our party. But this time, Dr. Pynïeng happens to be our candidate from there, and we could finalize it. Not just because based on being a woman, but based on some other criteria also that she could fulfill as a candidate.
Hagajua kapor u President ke UDP ubaderu u kyrtong na Mairang ulapan pau ya kajing sngo Kyndit baka NPP kalapan bana paj ba bakan om pynïeng kyrtong na Mairang constituency.
The NPP is not putting up candidate for Mairang constituency. Is this an indication there is any kind of understanding between NPP and UDP in this upcoming post?
No, I don't know what exactly why. I was also surprised to see that they have openly announced that they're not going to put up candidates there. So I don't know what's the reason. So the best thing is for them to ask.
Is it true that UDP don't have candidates in all the 60 constituencies?